The Gotiauco building is a neoclassical structure built in 1914 by Manuel Gotchanoy, son of Chinese migrant Pedro Gotchauco, to provide office spaces for the burgeoning shipping and trade business in the port area. He named the building in honor of his father, Don Pedro Gotiauco. Bobby Gothong, the chairman of Sugbu Chinese Heritage Museum Foundation Incorporated, aims to make this museum affiliated by UNESCO World Heritage like in Penang, Malaysia.
We welcome all the support coming from the community itself, no? And the support can come in many ways. Number one, in active participation in bringing guests to come and visit. Tourism is not just about beach and malls. It's also about arts and culture.
The building itself is a reminder of the rise of Cebu as a shipping and business center outside of Manila. Its tenants were pioneers in trade and commerce. The Cebu City Mayor Edgardo Labella heightened the history and efficacy of Chinese presence in Cebu, and the relevance of its restoration is well appreciated.
Yes, of course, I would like to congratulate the Cebu Chinese Heritage Foundation Incorporated for putting up this structure. This is historical. This underscores the influence of the Chinese community since 500 years ago. And it also highlights the fact that China was way ahead in civilization. 500 years ago, when they came trade, commerce, and industry, and maybe without fear or contradiction, it's the Chinese people that really brought forth development, progress of the city of Cebu. To remind not only this generation and the generations to come, the influence and the group that was responsible for making Cebu what it is today.
It was declared a heritage site by the City Council of Cebu in December 2012 and is now the Sugbu Chinese Heritage Museum, which will soon to open to the public because this is the story of us all. For we are the best community, thus we are one.
Actually, we'd like to ask the Chinese community and the Filipino communities to either loan us whatever you may have that the public may learn from this culture, the Chinese civilization, Chinese culture, cultural exchange, so that the whole Cebuano people or our visitors may learn from artifacts that you're going to loan us.
This Sugbu Chinese Heritage Museum will help in aiding the capacity of our culture and heritage here in Cebu City, Philippines, being the Queen City of the South, and acknowledging their contributions in the advancements of technologies and its development in our very own Cebu City, Philippines to the world. For My TV Cebu Special Report, this is Dio Gracias Alayan.